Hello my dear family members, if you are preparing for Cognizant on campus or off campus, this video is going to be very much helpful because today I'm going to discuss about the 2 days questions of Cognizant on campus 2027, and I'll discuss what and how they have asked the questions. Is the question being repeated or the slot was hard or easy, and how and where to prepare. Now let's discuss from the very beginning. Just before that guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and let me know which content you want more, and also don't forget to like this content. Okay,
Hey, you ready for the future? TEKNO UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
so the first question regarding the slots, actually many candidates have been confused. If they have chosen cluster 2, will they be asked questions from cluster 1? So that's not happened. Last year somehow it happened, but this year for cluster 2 they only asked from Python. For cluster 1 they have asked from only Java. Okay, now there is nothing new, everything is as per the last year. So the question are being repeated. Yes, the question which I'm going to share today, that's also repeated, but not fully 100% repeated, but 90% repeated I can say. Okay, and the questions were easy, or sometimes for the coding question it was medium, I'll say easy. Okay, and where to prepare guys, actually many people have referred our prime materials topmate.is/TEKNO UF. If you refer this now, you will get almost similar 90%. I'm giving you guarantee you will get 90% common questions. Okay, now let me discuss the question, that is this. Actually this is not visible guys, so that's why I have copied this one. Okay, so the question is, add the data attribute data toggle button to the button element that toggles password visibility. Implement the logic to toggle the password input type between password and text. Set the border color of the password input to this. Okay, so basically what's the task? Actually I think this is not properly visible. Let me just zoom it out for you. So I hope this is now visible. So basically task is, I'm going to share it. So this should be the output. If you click on this hide button, this should be hidden. Okay, and if you click on show button, then it should be shown. Okay, and this is the background color. You can see this is the background color which you need to fix in the CSS. Okay, and also one attribute you have to add in the HTML page. Okay, this is the 3 tasks you have to do: one JavaScript logic to toggle, and one CSS attribute to add, one HTML attribute to add. Okay, so 3 tasks. How they are like differentiating, or how they are giving priorities or values or length or weights, that is for HTML. Let's say there is total 5 marks, so they will give 1.5 marks for HTML, 1.5 marks to CSS, and 2 marks for JavaScript. So this way they are giving the marks. Okay, now let me discuss the next thing, that is how and where, what to do. Actually you will be provided with the full coding questions and with the snippets means you will be having full codes from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You don't have to write from the scratch. Okay guys, before we move forward to the next part, I want you to have the best prime materials available for on campus for Accenture, Cognizant, Virtusa, or TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, any other company. If you are preparing, then please visit topmate.is/TEKNO UF. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. We are recognized as 0.1% top performer, and you can see the feedback of students provided below as well. Also for Cognizant, you will be getting everything, like you can see here, the aptitude.NET Java Python coding questions with answers, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, communication assessment, mock test, mock interview, everything in PDF and in real environment you will get. So please have this. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. So let me discuss the question. This is the question many people will ask you, and sometime, and I think this year they have asked question from Angular JS as well, or React JS. So if in your case they have asked, or you have chosen for Angular JS or React JS, then you should prepare accordingly. But as I received this and I got feedback from candidates, they got HTML, CSS, JavaScript only. So that's why I'm just preparing the answers in HTML, CSS, JavaScript only. Okay. Now this will be fully provided to you. Just one thing you have to add, they have asked you to add toggle button, this one, data toggle button, inside this button tag, button element. Okay, so that's the task you need to do all in the HTML page. Okay, you have done, you don't have to do anything. Okay, now the next task is style.css. Here you have to just add the border color for the this is the border color you have to add, #8 E44AD. So this one you had to add, nothing else guys. And sorry, the background color also, you can see this is the background color, the same one. You have to just make it this color, nothing else. Now the main thing in the JavaScript page, what you have to do, you have to write the logic. Nothing will be written inside the JavaScript. Sometimes they may give you, but most of the time they will not give you the JavaScript code snippet. Okay, now at first we are storing the element of password input and toggle button. So there was two element, password button and toggle. Okay, so password input and toggle button, these two, we are just locating these two element at JavaScript using the element by id and query selector. Okay, so we have used this one in the HTML and we are just calling that particular field element using JavaScript. Okay, and storing that here. Okay, you can assume this as pointer, so this is pointing to that element. Okay, now toggle button dot add element, add event listener. If we click on this particular button, then what should happen? The password input dot type should be equal password. What does this mean? Triple equal and double equal. What's the difference between double equal and triple equal? Guys, please answer this in the comment section, because this is a very big JavaScript interview questions. They will ask, if obviously if you are selected, they will ask you this question: what's the difference between double equal and triple equal? Now if the type is equal to password and if the password dot type is equal to text, we have to change the types equal to text, and toggle button dot text content should be hide, because after you click on the show button it should be hide, after you click on the hide button it should be show, right? So as it is. Okay, so the same thing we have done here as well. You have to do the same in the else part. Okay, I hope you understood. Now nothing else guys, it's very easy logic, so you have to just write the easy logics only. So you can just see here, if you just write this one and click on show, it should be shown, and if you click on hide, it should be hidden. Okay, I hope you understood guys, and if you need guys any help, then let me know. I'll try to assist you there.
Please subscribe to TEKNO UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.